12:30 and I'm still on the campsite. I had really good sleep until 10:30 and I needed it because I arrived here around 10 o'clock at night. I've got about 40 kilometers left to La Roche. I might split it up in two, but I have to be there tomorrow at 1 p.m. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm feeling good. I have a little bit of a cold, but I took some Panadol and should be fine. I lost my hat, so that's a bummer. I'm actually really pissed off about it because I lost it last night around the free campsite, the bivouac place, and there were so many people last night. It was horrible. I just decided to keep going until Houffalize. The campsite was 2 kilometers from town still, so I did an extra 4 kilometers last night. It was exciting because it was my first night hike, and yeah, all went well. So hopefully everything goes well today as well. Yay! Wish me luck. Bye! Alright guys, I made it back on the trail. I'm so happy. Let's see what you can expect today. Whew. Let's have a look. Alright guys, you can see how much I'm sweating because it's hot. I just went the wrong way, so I have to go back. Oh my god, seriously, not cool, not cool. Okay, I have to do it. Alright, back on track. Oh shit. I'm fine. It's a little bit slippery. Oh. I'm still smiling. That was fun? Not. Alright guys, we are now going to cross the Urte. Yay! Nice little bridge. Woo-hoo. Let's have a look. That's the way we're heading. That's where we come from. So we're now going on the other side. Just wanted to capture how dry the Oert is at the moment. Just too beautiful not to record. In about 2 kilometers I'll be at the bar de Nisramon, where you can eat and drink. So I'm gonna have a coffee there. Let's see how many kilometers I can still do today. I'm feeling so fit. My trail legs have definitely kicked in. And yeah, I'm so happy about that. Oh, let's pay attention. See you there. So we've now actually been following the lake of Nisramon, and we're going along it. It's a little bit sketchy at times, but with the right equipment you should be fine. Okay, they did it again. On one side you can see a cliff and on the other side you can see a cliff. Beautiful. I like it. And woohoo, I can see the first signs of this nice cafe, which will be extremely busy, but I don't care. I'm so thirsty. I'm going to have a Fanta, a coffee, and maybe something to eat. Alright, see you down there. Hi guys, I made it to the cafe near the barrage, near the dam. So they didn't have any food left because it's the end of the season. So I'm having a Fanta and a coffee as promised, and it is delicious. Beautiful. And what just happened is they just closed the bar. It's 5 o'clock. Guess what? Thunderstorms coming. Woo! Hopefully I'll be in town by then.
Alright guys, so it started raining. Time to put the rain gear on. Yay. Oh my god, yes! Woo! I made it to Maboge. Oh, I'm so happy. Super stoked. I'm gonna have a beer if they have any. Oh my god, I hope they have a pub. I need a beer. Should come to a road in a little bit. Just wanted to show you how cool it is to walk in the dark. I wouldn't recommend this unless you've got a lot of experience, but even then it's not very safe. I just want to get to a campsite, that's all. Ooh. Oh, come on. Almost there. Go. Shit. I think it's down here, but the sign says straight. Oh, there we go. In the distance, I can see a little reflection of the sign. So, oh, what a relief! Oh my god, I'm honestly getting the creeps here. So quiet. Yesterday I saw a fox and seen a few eyes here and there. Oh, thank god I heard something, but it's a plane. I thought it was something growling. Oh my god. You literally can't hear anything. Only the road in the distance. Okay. I'm coming to an intersection here. Fuck. Oh, shit. Okay. Going down. I guess it makes sense. Oh. Did you hear that? Obviously it's a bird. I'm just gonna keep talking. I can see some kind of light. Maybe someone's camping there, I don't know. It's so scary. Maybe it's the road. Come on. Oh, I can hear a car. I can see a car. Alright guys, found a road.